Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 2nd, 2022. I'm going to talk about SoFi because if you guys seen the market action in SoFi, the stock rallied off of the earnings. It was very positive for the market. As you guys can tell, we actually capitalized off of that move because I did a price prediction in SoFi on October the 12th, which is right here. Looking for price in SoFi still to go up. Pretty good call. The market topped out yesterday in trading at a high of $6.47. And you guys can see that ultimate TP price was around $6. So pretty close to where the market ultimately traded in SoFi. Let's go ahead and cut that out the way because now you guys may be wondering, well, what now? Well, I mean, given the current environment, the global situations of so many problems and issues going on, don't expect too much, right? You guys can already tell that we've been in a trading range in SoFi ever since May of this year. So this is like an accumulation period if you're trying to hold the stock for a long period of time, or if you're going to scout the market, trade on intraday basis. This is where you just simply buy and get out the market in a couple of weeks. It all depends on how you're looking at your own particular situation. Now, I wanted to start out on the monthly chart real quick in SoFi to show you that the last 2 months outside of the month of October, this month right here was weakness. This month right here, August and September, both months were weak. But then we come to October, okay? I want you all to notice how the spread of the month of October is tiny. It's minuscule compared to the last 2 months. Is it not? Yes, it is. Let me zoom in on this so you can see it. So look at the volume. Look at the spread of this monthly price bar for SoFi. This is where the bag holders are at. This is where the market is coming in and accumulating or, buying more of this stock right here. Down here at the base of around $4.80 to $5. This is what's going on, because you're trying to tell me the last 2 months, September and August, we saw a lot of weakness and selling coming to the market, only to come down to $4.80 and $5, and the market still closed higher than the previous month. Yeah, that's what's going on. So it doesn't mean that the process is through though. Right? It doesn't mean that the market is ready to rally up past $8 to $9. It doesn't mean that yet. But what we can tell is that, yeah, we pretty much have seen a support area coming into the market in SoFi. So what I'm going to do is going to simply extend the support line out. Okay. I also will extend this resistance area up here. Okay. So I'm not too massively bullish. I'm not massively weak neither. This is just a tradable market for SoFi. You guys can see here on these couple of weekly price bars how the market is closing off of the highs. That's simply indicative of selling being mixed in with the buying. Now, since we have been closing higher than the previous week, that tells you that the buyers are still here in the market in SoFi. Look at this on the 5-day chart. You guys can see here on the completion that we still saw price close lower off of the highs. The sad part is that the volume definitely came in on this last 5-day price bar. So again, I'm not massively bullish. To me, this is not a tradable market to where we can drop a price prediction. It's kind of like, what do you want to expect now? Well, don't expect too much. Expect what we've been going through in the market in SoFi since May. Just the same old trading here and there, going up 3%, going down 2%, going down another 2%, going up 2%. I'm not expecting a trend to occur into the market right now in SoFi. Just much of this trend already. Consolidation. Okay. Here it is on the 2-day chart. You guys can see how much selling came into the market yesterday. So people pretty much sold the news of the positive earnings in SoFi. And what this reflects on this 2-day price bar, this high volume, is telling us that smart money got involved. They were there. And if they're considered smart, then why did the price close off of the highs yesterday? Because they probably was selling. They saw their accounts, their positions in profit, and they said, let me go ahead and take some of this off the table because I am unsure as to what the next 3 months is going to be like. I am unsure what the next 6 months is going to be like. If I could get out with a 2% profit, cool, I'll take it. and expend the money somewhere else to where the money is going. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put on a price prediction. There's times to where you don't need to be active into the market until you see the market accumulating or you see the market still selling off. So as of right now, it's an opportunity for us to be still, let them work, let them try to figure out where the price is going to go. Then once we get a better idea off of the signals that we're seeing on the price chart, then we'll come in and drop another price prediction. But as of right now, to me, the thing that we need to expect is pretty much most of the same mundane trading within this trading range. Now, as we see, I will say over the next 2 trading days, let's say that price comes back down in SoFi to like $5.25 and it holds support. That would be another clue that buyers are still interested in SoFi and that the market is going to be aiming to push higher than the high they came in yesterday. I'm just waiting for that before I pull the trigger. I want to know, what do you all think? What are you all going to do in SoFi now, seeing that we saw earnings came out as positive, but the market still sold off somewhat? Make sure you maintain the profitability. Hit the like button, and also subscribe. Trade different.